Hello YouTube, this is Doc from DaretoBeCreative. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you are a returning visitor. So first, this is not a craft or haul video. I just have it sitting up here just to have it sitting up here. I am here because I want to do a video response to my girl. This is one of my buddies. This is a sweetheart. She is one of my friends, and we craft together, you know, on Zoom weekly, and she is an amazing crafter. She's an enabler. Now you watch her channel, you will be enabled to buy some things because she shops and she finds some good stuff, but she is a wonderful crafter as well, and she participates in a lot of challenges for other people's channels. She's very supportive, so I want you guys to support her as well. She is having a 1,000 subby giveaway challenge, and it's started in May. It's going to go on to, it started the end of May, and it's going to go on to June the 30th. And her drawing is going to be July 4th. So you need to get that postmarked in. And if, for whatever reason, if you mailed it at the last minute, make sure you kind of email her. You can go to her channel and get her email so she'll know to look for it. You must be 18 years old and must be a U.S. resident. You have to be an active visual subscriber to her YouTube and Instagram channel, okay? Because sometimes we know people just pop up because they want to get a prize. You must be a crafter, okay? So what you have to do is to make a Memorydex card, your standard size with tabs, already cut for the Rolodex, an ATC, and then, which is the Artist Trading Card. If you don't know what that is, it's the same as a little parking letter size baseball card, 2.5 by 3.5. On the back of it, as well as on the Memorydex card, you need to put your full name, date of birth, address, favorite. I'm missing the word after favorite. And then it says your social media and crafty style. So definitely go out and watch her video, and I'll have that link below. A set of 4-layer flowers, or bows, or bag toppers. The video response about her 1K giveaway challenge, and then also email her for her address once you've completed your project. So just in case I didn't get everything straight, go check out her channel. The link will be below. Help her out, so don't forget about it if you guys are thinking about it. Show her some love and support. Tell her I sent you, and go by and drop by her channel and help her get her subbies, and help her you know, continue to grow her channel, and show her some love and support, and you have an opportunity to win a nice prize package. So alright, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless.